most
after?
special reaction, I think
Mm-hmm.
that would be from my friend Gauri Khan. She called me when
Mm-hmm.
I was in Bombay.
Mm-hmm.
And on the day of Manisha's party, I've seen it. It's amazing. You're incredible. She says, I was so concerned about you. And she loved it.
People are there to
Hmm.
talk, let them talk.
Hmm.
What
Hmm.
privilege.
Hmm.
And as I said, I
Hmm.
mean, I have a beautiful family. I'm very secure in
Yes.
my life. I have a great husband, a lovely daughter, a brother, sister-in-law, beautiful family, and I'm not apologetic for that.
What are you putting out there? You're going to put out
Yeah.
some nonsense about
Yeah.
Alia, who has the most beautiful natural face? Just what you mentioned about her Botox. I mean,
Yeah.
why would you want to discuss it?
Hi.
Hi, welcome to CNN News 18. So glad to speak to you guys. First of all, a big congratulations on such a huge success of the new season. So, tell me, guys, what has been the best and the most special reaction you guys have received so far ever since the show has released? I'll come to each one of you. Kalyani, I'll start with you. Tell me about the most special reaction and from whom did it come?
You know, literally everyone, people who know me, people who don't know me, because now social media I've gained so many followers. I'm feeling quite thrilled about it because I never really watched, but my daughter's like, Mom, your followers have gone up. I said, has it? And yeah, of course, this has such a massive reach. And I think this this was this was such an amazing experience of something that I don't think any of us really expected. This was so special. But through it all, and we shot for almost a year. We started exactly a year ago during Diwali. And I have got such beautiful messages from all over the world. The main three things I think are that you were very authentic. You come across as authentic. Now, people who don't know me. And they love my style. I styled myself mostly with all my own clothes. And of course, Mohit Rai's team helped us sourcing a couple of things. And so they loved my style in the show. And they thought I came across as a genuine, normal kind of authentic person. And I took this up. I know it's a show. I know it's a reality show. I know you need the drama, everything. But I think, honestly, everyone's asked me, all my friends especially, see, nothing is scripted. Firstly, you can be put into a situation where there's a storyline, but they're not telling us what to say. Like I might say that Shalini, Ridhima, and I have gone shopping to Manish Malhotra's store, but the conversation between us, it's something we would normally do. Number one,
Yeah.
and two is the conversation we've had is not scripted.
Yeah.
That's our own. What you say, content is ours. So no one's telling us what to say to each other. So in that form, I think it has been very interesting as well.
Ridhima, what about you?
The love that I've been getting through messages, calls, like, this amazing, and you look great, and all of those things. I mean, it's just very, very overwhelming. Of course, as Kalyani said, nothing is scripted. It's basically, we have to create masala somewhere.
Yes.
And give it to you and serve you so that you enjoy watching it as well.
Yes.
But yeah, we've had a blast, all of us together, along with the Bollywood wives. The process has been amazing. The journey has been amazing. We started exactly a year ago, and we're just great. It's just great to see the response.
Yeah. You three were my favorites because
Hi.
I'm also from Delhi, and it was so much fun to watch three ladies from Delhi take over Bollywood Wives. This was the most fun season of of the series.
So
Shalini, yes,
with the question, I forgot, I think. Can you repeat the question, please?
the most special reaction that you received
The most
after.
special reaction, I think
Mhm.
that would be from my friend Gauri Khan. She called me when I was in Bombay. And on the day of Manisha's parties, I've seen it. It's amazing. You're incredible. She says, I was so concerned about you. And she loved it. And that was really special to me because she knows me really well. And of course, all the reaction from all the women all over the world, they're saying we are so inspired by you, your free living, your thinking, your spontaneity, your childlike, your inner child. I think a lot of people, like, the constant message is like, we love your inner child, we love the way that you're free, you're not restricted by so many things, or hesitant, or the fear to be judged. So that was something which is like, and there's so many other things, of course, about the hair, the clothes, the makeup, the art, everything, but that, of course, one knows, but the what is most important is when people see who you are, and
Yes.
and they tell you something about yourself that you don't know, which is great.
I was being very skeptical and I was very anxious about being judged. And I said it through, and I think this is the biggest thing. I mean, one of the, that's where the magic with Shalini did. She was uninhibited and she didn't care if she was going to be judged. She just did her
Because I've
thing.
been
You know
through
what
it,
I mean?
if you
Yeah.
are conservative, then people will
And I
say,
think
if
this is a
so
great lesson to be learned, especially if you're going to do something like this. You just have to be. I was, I think, holding back a lot. I'm so scared all the time to be judged because, which I have been through in my life. I've been judged and vilified all my life.
Yeah.
So I was extra conscious of it. Now, see, she let it go, and that's what won her, this
Heart.
because
the heart.
I
And I
I
think being
you know
genuine is something,
because
and you have
living
to
in
be
a
yourself.
society, you can't make everyone happy. Some
You
people
can't
will
make
be
everyone happy.
conservative, some will be
Absolutely.
Yeah.
bold, someone will say, why you're not working, you're educated, someone will say you shouldn't work, and some people will, everyone will have,
Everyone has an
they even said,
opinion.
why do you have one
Exactly.
child, you should have two
Yeah.
children. Some people are like, oh, one is so amazing. So it's their perception, they are judging me from their life things, and I've been through that. So I said, you know what? It's the same thing. It's the same formula. You just multiply it by billions. That's all.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
So as we said, it's a more exaggerated version of all of
so
us.
multiply billions people's opinion. So if you know like 1,000 people who know you and they have different opinions about you, so just multiply it by billion, because that's how everybody else is going to see you. Someone will relate to you and someone will not.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And I think
Absolutely.
in my case, what has happened is very strange that a lot of people have said that, we want to live our lives like you live. We want to be free. We want to take risks. We want to do things for just the fun of it and not to be in a competition. So I think that is something which I'm so glad that came through.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know
It
what I liked about three of you guys, because that you all three kept it so light-hearted and you guys enjoyed yourself. You guys were not engaging in discussion about how the Bollywood wives are. While on the flip side, we saw them always constantly talking about how you guys are not so close. They had a lot of stuff to talk about Delhi and all of that.
Are we friends?
I
Are we not
also
friends?
We are
हम
friends,
हैं
but
ही
we are
ऐसे,
never
Are we
really
हम हैं
close.
ही
close? Are we not
ऐसे,
close? Are we close?
जहाँ
Are
हम
we
जाते हैं
all?
हमारी बातें करते हैं लोग, हम हैं ही ऐसे, है ना कल्याणी?
Yes.
We are used to it.
Trishti, in that
Kalyani,
first,
me and Ridhima,
Yes,
used
Pradima.
to it.
We are
Sorry.
used to
Yeah,
Trishti
it.
की
Ridhima.
Yeah.
वो
Yeah.
पहले सीन में जहाँ पे भावना said, but you guys are not close to that. What I said,
Yes.
but we are
Yes.
friends.
We are friends. Yes.
But we are friends. We are never not
Yes.
the best of friends, but we are friends. I mean, we know each other.
Yeah.
We've hung
Yeah.
out. Delhi has a small
And
social
also, we
circle.
have a love for each other, which is, I mean, they're acquaintances, but, Kalyani is like family to me. Ridhima is
You know,
like
I
my
tie
little sister.
Rakhi
I've
on
always
Sanjay.
said,
He's my brother. Honestly, he's my Rakhi brother. And Sanjay Saman, I have so much. I mean, that guy, if I call him at 3 in the morning, which is the time he wakes up, actually to do
He's
his
a lovely.
prayers. But if I say, why I wanted a red tricycle, he's the kind of guy who'll get it for me.
Yeah.
Shani won't. But she's like, no, I need
No,
my
she also will. But
And
Sanjay,
Shalini has been there for me for like we've been friends for like over 25 years. Our kids have grown
Yeah.
up together. She loves my daughter who's into art, and it's always Shani auntie this and Shani auntie that, and about especially with her art situation. Ridhima and I, we were actually not that close, I'll be honest, because I know her through her cousin Natasha Nanda, who's
Yeah.
also Shani and my very good friend.
The missing link.
And she's
Yeah,
so
the
much
missing
younger.
link.
As I keep telling her, I said, you're another generation from
Change
me.
hoga na.
But we become super close. We went on a holiday together. When you live with somebody, together, and you wake up and go to sleep together. So yeah, we became super close. And I mean, I'm very close to her now. But equations also, it evolves and you discover each other. I mean, it's not such a big deal, but there was a lot of stress given on our relationships. And that may have been the basis of their conversation. But honestly, I think we gave them a lot more to talk
Yeah.
about.
Something, I think our relationship with the three of us, it was just real. It was not a pretense. What we
Yeah.
felt, we said.
Yeah.
For example, if we thought maybe, because the girls are so fascinated with, Shalini and how she is. So Kalyani and me came from a place where we told her that, if you're feeling overwhelmed, tell them,
Yeah.
So, and
We
I
were
said that
always
also.
irking her on, like, give it
Irking
back.
her on,
And
but
she's like, no,
I said,
no.
usko bol de, to hum log ko bol rahi, unko bhi bol do na. But thing is, I mean, I said that, don't put her in a spot, I told them that to their face. I said, don't put her in a spot.
No,
But-
I think
but-
Shalini can definitely hold her own, as she very well did.
But Shalini doesn't like
But
to
I
hurt
think
anyone.
there was the basis of the whole thing, the first time that Netflix has done this, bring two cities together. And that was a very ethos, this whole Delhi Bombay thing, right? It's never been done before. Under the same title, you see New York, you see Beverly Hills, you see Dubai Bling, whatever, the same genre. This is the first time that Netflix has brought two cities together, which was the most unique thing. And I think that's how it really began. And it's funny because Ridhima is actually from Bombay. I'm from Bengal. I'm from Bengal, and
So I'm the only one who's actually.
And Shalini is the only authentic.
Let me say it.
Delhi
Yeah, that's my line.
She
That's
was
the
the
one
only
I
Delhi
figured out.
person. So
Yeah.
strangely enough, but I've lived there for 28 years of my life. So it's I mean, it's more than half my life. So it's just like you know what I'm saying. And then she, of course, Ridhima has been there mad. So that was the whole ethos, maybe, and that's how it started. And I think what was interesting about this show is basically bringing in a newness into the season, because 1 and 2 was super successful. We wouldn't have had a season 3 if it wasn't for the success of 1 and 2, let's be honest. And the girls are amazing, and they've only got they're amazing, period. So I think obviously because of them we are there, so let's not forget that. But I think what we brought into the show was I think nobody expected
drama.
Nobody
brought in
expected
drama.
this whole situation, because I think it was such a freshness into it, because all three of us brought in something very, very unique and very, very different. I mean, with Shani, her lifestyle, who she is, the 100 things she does, Ridhima, me, everything. So I think we brought in a very different perspective to the show altogether, which I think the concept was amazing. Yeah. So I think that is what was so interesting, and that's why it's number one.
Even the concept was amazing. Delhi, Bombay, it's been talked about for so many years.
And you mentioned that the challenges of being a part of a family that's constantly under the spotlight, and how you're constantly judged for being privileged, whether it's you, Ranveer, or Alia. Tell me, does it bother you as a family when Ranveer's statements often get misunderstood? Alia recently called out the fake claims of her Botox being gone wrong. There's constant opinions about you, Neetu ji. You also spoke about it recently. What do you have to say about
But
it?
there's judgment
Why do you think
everywhere, Shrishti? If you see, people are there to talk. Let them talk. What privilege? As I said, I mean, I have a beautiful family. I'm very secure in my life. I have a great husband, a lovely daughter, brother, sister-in-law, beautiful family, and I'm not apologetic for that. So that is privilege to me, that I have a beautiful family and I'm loved. So, and I don't really care about what people have to say. People to talk about everyone. लोगों का काम है बोलना, वो तो बोलेंगे ही. Judge करना है, judge करेंगे. As I said, when you make a mistake, there are 10 people who jump on you. But if you do something good, how much are you like spoken about? People
Yeah.
don't pat your back, or they don't talk about it. They don't highlight it. But the minute you make the smallest error, they call you out. So I just guess it's just part of life. It's just that we are living in a lot of negativity these days. The
I think
environment
we
is
need to change that culture, like bit by bit. We need to focus on good
Yeah.
things. I think we need to change it. And I think we need to change this culture. Like, someone or
mindset.
like,
Yeah.
the mindset
Yeah.
needs to be changed,
Mindset
because
needs to change.
that, do your own thing and see goodness in others, and it will just get multiplied. People don't
The
think like
problem,
that.
yeah, you're absolutely right. And
They
you know,
need
the
to,
thing-
people need to just be made to think like that, and things will happen.
I think, Shrishti, social media in general has become so toxic and is so
Yeah.
vitriolic that, nobody spares anything. I remember when there's so many issues that the first poster when it came out of me, and there was this comment saying, "Oh my God, Kalyani, she's looking so old." And somebody deleted it, and I was so angry because I wanted to actually reply to that. I said, "Honey, I'm probably your mother's age. And you know what? I'm super proud of the way I look at my age." So, there's so many things where there's this whole age thing, how good you look, how bad you look, how old you look, how young you look. I mean, people are obsessed with someone's looks. What about them as a person? What about them as achievers? What about, everything else, their struggles? And, I think this social media, the narrative needs to change. And it's you
I
people
agree.
who need to do that. It's
And
you
there is
people who are responsible, honestly,
And-
because y'all also highlight for TRPs or whatever it is, not TRPs. I'm now stuck on TRPs. But for clickbait,
Clickbait.
what are you putting out there? You're going to put out some nonsense about Alia, who has the most beautiful natural face? Just what you mentioned about her Botox. I mean, why would you want to discuss it? As a responsible channel, why would you want to discuss something which you also know is not true? Why to get clickbait?
Of course it is
because
not.
only those things.
You know what I'm saying? You guys
never
need to
Then
make
it
that
is the
difference. You
responsibility
need
of
to
the media
start.
to be
Yeah, it is a
to change it now,
responsibility,
because I think even like if you saw, the audiences are fed up of the negativity and the fighting.
Yeah,
they
everyone's
don't
fed
want
up.
it.
Yeah.
Fed
They
up.
don't want it. They will
Normal
take
people
whatever
are
you
fed
give
up.
them.
Okay,
Yeah.
and Shrishti, one more thing. I'll tell you something.
Yes.
Sorry, we love the way
about
we are
the-
giving you advice.
I
on-
know, but the thing is about it. So there is a big difference. Like, suppose if someone is writing
Kalyani.
seriously at Kalyani, you are looking old. Well, that was a serious comment. But when somebody's pulling a friend's leg, like I said, Maheep and Sanjay were originally my chacha's friends, right? तो अगर मैंने उनको आंटी बुला ही दिया, पर वो तो मस्ती कर रही थी, मैं तो उसके मुंह पे बुलाती हूँ, हाँ जी आंटी कैसे हो? It's like a मस्ती. Friends don't do that. They pull each other's leg, So that's one thing. No, why are you calling Maheep auntie? अरे भाई, have you never joked with your friends?
Yeah,
Hi.
I know.
Yeah, that's so stupid.
Yeah,
मैं
it
तो
is,
मुंह पे
it
बोलती
is.
हूँ, and you know what Maheep tells me? I will whack you. Now one more time you call me that.
Yeah,
But yeah.
yeah, I know. Shalini, I want to tell you, I've never seen a reality TV personality like you, and I'm saying it in a very good way. You are so full of positivity, and I don't know how you maintain your calm even during the worst of arguments. That is commendable, and
That's why
hats
she
off to
has
you.
that skin.
I was thinking you were going to say you're so full of yourself.
so porcelain skin.
But that's okay. You can be full of yourself.
Yeah.
You are great.
So
You're
I think I think for me also, like, it's also about control, and I also know that if I lash out, it can like actually hurt the person much more. Like, the thing is that like I told Ridhima, you don't use the Brahmastra for small conversations, because I think that I can be so
Brahmastra
loaded.
Acha, that.
Yeah, I say I can be. The thing is that for me, it's all about guilt. Like, if I say something, even like, of course, if I say something unintentionally, which I do many times, because I do have foot in the mouth thing situation,
But
I
we all
do
do.
say things unintentionally, but with intention. with intention, if I do something, it takes me months. Like at that moment, and even after a week, I'll be really angry or something. But I've realized over the years, after like 2 months, 3 months, I still would not be able to live myself. So I would actually start overcompensating, or like, like I just feel very, very guilty. And that guilt, like, it makes me not sleep, makes me irritable. Like it's like a pin inside me. Like it just keeps poking me that, just for that one, just because that person said that
Yeah.
thing and I said something else. I
Hmm.
know it's not that I've like I'm the saint. I'm not, but it's like I just don't want to have that, because I want to do other things. I want to be able to focus my energy on other things. And I
Better.
also look at, maybe the person was not happy, maybe the person was, something else was bothering them. So there's whole lot of other things, and I give a lot of, like, for me, like a relationship, which is like of a friendship, is really important to me, because at that moment the person might have been irritated with me, because obviously I'm not like just like a very a normal adjusted person. I also have many facets. So I do maybe some, and then later on I don't want to regret losing a friendship. And so, because if I don't say anything, I can always go back and have a conversation and sort things out, because I feel the relationships are a long term thing and not just that
Hmm.
moment. Like, even
It's
with
not worth
friends,
it.
and
Yeah.
it's not worth, not just not worth it, but it's really not. And also I believe a
Hmm.
lot in karma, so I try not
Hmm.
to, so I'm honestly, for my karma is for me, right? So it's not really like, if I say bad things to others, or I connive, or I, those things just don't work with me.
When someone's
Hmm.
picking on you ना, I'm saying you should tell them, please don't do it. I've had enough. ये ना किसी को hurt नहीं करती है. So then we get,
Hmm.
Yani and I get annoyed. कि मतलब, why aren't you telling them to stop? You tell them
Yeah.
not to stop. Then we are like, बोलो ना कुछ उनको भी. हमेशा
Hmm.
just because she's,
I know.
like,
No, that's
oh,
that's,
give.
that's not the thing. The thing is that, what do you say? Because even like, it's just like some of the things are so like stupid. I'm just like laughing inside. I don't know what even they're saying. It doesn't even make sense. I'm just like, do I don't have to respond to everything, right? You know what I'm saying? It's just not like what do I say? Like, if someone's saying, "Oh, you're wearing yellow flowers," what do I say? They're not pink. It's for me, that's how it seems. I'm like, okay, whatever,
नहीं
like,
बोलने
that's
का.
your,
No, yeah,
if
I'm
you're
wearing
colorblind,
yellow
I
flowers.
can't help it.
Shall, next time if someone's saying na, you're wearing yellow flowers and you're wearing pink, say, yeah, I'm wearing yellow flowers.
No, I'll say whatever.
Yes, yes. Just the last question, guys, because Netflix is not allowing me more time, and it's so fun
So,
to have a chat with you guys. Ridhima, you said, you were getting a bit mean vibes from the Bollywood vibes. आपने एक scene में बोला था नीतू जी को. Uh, Tell me, all three of you, who do you think was the sweetest and the meanest Bollywood wife for
No,
you
they're
guys?
all very sweet, to be honest. They were all very sweet, but I just thought like they were basically, very fascinated with Shalini, which is great. But the thing is, we thought Kalyani and I thought she was probably overwhelmed, because she's telling us that why are they asking, like whatever so many. Just tell them now, because they are borderline, they're acting like borderline bullies, but they are very
Mm-hmm.
sweet. They're just fascinated. I said, unko bol de how you're telling us. That is why I said that don't put her in a spot at the pajama party. So don't put her in a spot. She's not entertainment. She's not funny. Don't put her in a spot. Means don't pick on her. That's it. But,
Yeah.
obviously. I don't
Yeah.
think anyone's mean. See, end of the day, it's a show. It is what it is.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
saying
I
watch
think
it for
that's
fun.
the whole ethos. See, when friends go onto a court to play a game of tennis or badminton or whatever it is, there is competitiveness within.
Yeah.
You have to win. You're there.
Yeah.
You are there for the win. And that's
But
all I
win
want to
what?
say. It's as simple as that.
But win
Yeah.
what? The thing is, it happens.
No,
It
no.
happens to
You know what
everyone.
I'm saying? Like, if you're there, you're doing a show, obviously you want to shine, you want to see the dhamaka things, and
Yeah.
sometimes you
Yeah,
don't
yeah. The
really
drama, yeah.
care about hurting somebody because you're not thinking intentionally about hurting someone,
No,
but
no.
you probably think you're saying something super cool and smart, which might hurt somebody else, or being a bit aggressive, you don't realize it. And we all do that. And I think, I know I can only speak for myself. I'm like, There was no need for me to get upset. There's no need for me to react like that. 100%, it happened to me. I regretted it. I'm like, damn, like, you know what I mean? But that's
Yeah.
also my personality. I have zero patience, zero tolerance, and I'm very reactive. I'm a typical Bengali, and so I always have too many opinions and too many whatever. So, you know what? I think it all worked out well. And hey, we are fabulous. And hey, we are number one.
Yes, of course you guys are. You guys are. And I cannot wait to watch the next season. I must tell you, मैंने एक दिन में पूरा binge watch कर लिया था.
Even my mom
Everyone
did.
has.
एक दिन में.
Yeah,
Trust me,
एक दिन में
everyone has.
पूरा.
They said,
Now
oh,
watch
we'll
it
just
again.
watch one episode because you want to see you guys and it's all our friends, in Delhi. They said, oh my God, we could stop watching. We watched till 4 in the morning or whatever. Yeah, that's you start
Yeah.
once you can't. We are unputdownable.
It's
and
addictive.
fabulous.
Yeah, it's addictive.
Yes, it is. It is.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining
Thank
me and
you.
speaking to
Thank
me.
you for
Thank
having
you.
Thank
us.
you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
I,
you.
I had a
Bye.
lovely time with
Bye.
you, all of you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.